What rules do you have for conversation? You may not think you have them, but believe me, you operate by a set of rules that you're not even conscious of. Things you say, things you don't say. And that can be really hard for people to navigate if they're in a new country or in a new setting, an unfamiliar environment. So, how can you help? And how can we be explicit or more explicit to help others and to be inclusive? I was having a great conversation today with a massage coach called Denise Wall, and she reminded me of a quote by Eleanor Roosevelt. Great minds discuss ideas, average minds discuss events, small minds discuss people. And I've never thought about it in this way before, but perhaps that was her rule for good conversation. I also came across a wonderful quote in this book I'm reading at the moment, Talk by Alison Wood Brooks. And she quotes Immanuel Kant, a German philosopher who had soirees where it was all about conversation. And his top rule was no know-it-alls. And I think that's a really good rule. Translated from the German, it actually comes down to dogmatism, but I think know-it-all is a really good phrase. So what are your rules? And what do you struggle with when it comes to conversation? I'm Fiona Brennan Scott, voice and speech coach at Bespoken, and I'd love to hear your thoughts. Thank you for listening.